shake a hand now. Yeah. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know.
Even though probably not much snow.
The sun and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Feliz Navidad. Not yet.
Not yet.
Feliz Navidad. Stop. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Oh yeah. Shake a hand, shake a hand now. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry The red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. He's making the list, he's checking the list. He's gonna find Santa night. Santa knows his girl can find golden rings. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año de felicidad. We wanna wish you a merry.
Okay, I'll stop it there. Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. Today is Thursday, May 28th, 2020, 5-28-20. Y'all, it's almost the end of the year. Oh my goodness, can you believe it? Did anyone pick up on the clue of the songs I was playing today? You know how hard it is to find a remix of Christmas songs that are like less than 2 minutes long? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it got you in a happy, good-spirited mood. Christmas tends to do that. That's why today at our class meeting, it's a Christmas theme. Remember, just all decked in halls with all your Christmas stuff, anything you find, even if it's just some wrapping paper. Maybe make a pretty bow or a Santa hat out of your wrapping paper or something. So, found that song for you guys just to kind of get you in the spirit of Christmas in May. Today is, let's see, just two quick announcements. Today is the 5th grade clap out. So if anyone wants to come up to the school, they're going to do a drive-by, I guess, instead of just walking in the hallways like y'all would normally do. I don't know if you remember that from kindergarten or not, but come on out there. It starts at 11 o'clock, so I'd be out there early. Walk if you can. It seems kind of like a nice-ish day. It's kind of humid, but that's okay. And then also today is the last day to return any electronics that you had borrowed from the school during this time. So please make sure you get those turned in, that they're charged up, and then you bring back all the accessories that it came with. So that way we're able to use them in our classrooms next year. So other than that, we do meet at 10:30, and then for tomorrow's awards ceremony, oy vey. So it was a tie, 3-3. So I don't know what to do. I think what I will do is I will just meet at 9 and I will meet at 1. So that way at least everyone can get a chance to hear what awards they got and see everybody for one last time. Make sure you dress in your fanciest outfits tomorrow. Okay, it's dress up. It makes you feel good to get all dolled up and dressed up for everybody and for yourself. So, okay, other than that, I love you and I miss you, and I look forward to seeing you guys at our Christmas themed meeting today. Bye, lovelies.